Hey, Jacob here from ABC. In today's video, we're taking a look at the silver trad pole and how you can connect just about any tool to it. Let's go. Now, your silver trad pole is going to come with a plastic Acme tip that is going to fit most Acme threaded tools, such as a threaded pad holder, for example. Now, your silver trad pole is also going to come with a tapered plastic tip. This just threads onto the end, and you can use it with most tapered tools like most squeegee handles or T-bars. Now, if you have some other tapered tip that you prefer, such as a threaded wood cone or some other brand of plastic tapered tip, most of those are going to thread onto this Acme tip as well. Now, if you have a Euro threaded tool that you prefer, you can use the Triple Crown Silver Metal Euro tip. It fits into the same color at the top, and now you can fit on TC switch, a water-fed brush, or a Euro tool of your choice. If you have a proprietary tip that you prefer to use in conjunction with your brand name tools, we now offer a universal adapter. It just fits into the top collar, and it can fit a variety of tools. You can use it with an Unger tip, and then you can use their locking mechanism with their tools. You can use it in conjunction with an Ettore tip, and then you can use their proprietary locking mechanism on their tools. It will also fit Triple Crown tips as well as most other tips on the market, so you can use this pole with just about any tool out there. By the way, if you have a silver water-fed pole, it comes with a Euro tip, but you can swap that out for any of the tips that we showed in this video, so you can use any of the tools that we've just shown. So that was a little bit about how to attach just about any tool you can think of to your silver trad pole. For more information or to purchase, visit the product page, and as always, thanks for watching.